All right, welcome back to another Quick Win Wednesday. This week we're going to talk about soft deletes and how we can have them by default in our migrations and in our models. Last week was quite long. This week we're going to go for a short video. So let's dive into it. Here we go. Okay, so basically we all have the same issue, right? We create a model and we create a migration, preferably in one line of code, but we still need to add this use illuminate database eloquent soft deletes, and we have to use soft deletes in our model as well. And in our migration, we also need to add table soft deletes. Now, that's a lot of work. Well, not a lot of work, but it's annoying that you have to do that over and over again. So instead of doing that over and over again, these files are actually created by the artisan command that we type into our terminal, and we can actually change those base files, as you will, that create those files for us. And they are called stubs. So we're actually going to export the stubs from our vendor and put them into our code. So how we're going to do that? We're going to use a command in artisan, PHP artisan, PHP artisan stub publish. And what this does, this actually publishes the stub files from out of the vendor folder into a folder called stubs. And in here we have a lot of things. We have basically almost everything that we can do. So first of all, we're going to change the model stub. This is actually the file that will be generated based on the model that we create in our artisan command. And we're going to add soft deletes here. And we're going to copy this and soft deletes. There we go. So next up, we're going to change the migration create stub, which actually creates the basic migration file when we use -m or basically make a migration file ourselves. And in here, we're going to use table soft deletes. And this one is a small s. And that's actually it. So now when we run into our terminal, PHP artisan make model, and we're going to call it test-m. Boom, it creates a model and it creates a migration file. And in the test PHP and models, we have now soft deletes in place, and we have in our create tests migration also soft deletes in place for us. So that was it for this week. Hope you learned something from it. See you next week. Oh yeah, and like and subscribe. It's awesome. Thanks. See you next one. Bye bye.